bundok na naman kami, and this time we are camping at Johnston Canyon Campground in Banff National Park. Tara! Dito na kami. Let's eat. Dinner time.
Gigi Delana. Pangbalat.
Ay, kanyaman.
Siyempre, di mawawala yung buray.
Good morning. This, oh,
Pangpayang.
pampabata. Your favorite train is back. Umiiwas sa araw. Ito. May theater kami.
Sophia Vergara.
Sophia. Hindi. Bread.
It's like an American. Why there?
We're skipping the hike and going straight to the river. Here we go again. Sabi ko nga, I remember this way. We're going under that bridge. Gusto lang magbabad ng paa yung mga yan. Late night cravings. Breakfast time on checkout day. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Hey, so we've checked out of Johnston Canyon Campground and we're hoping to get into Johnston Canyon. Kung walang masyadong tao, we will take, quick walk down the canyon. Ayan, katabi lang kasi ng campground yung Johnston Canyon. So, why not do it, right? We're looking for parking now. Marami pa ring tao, but I'm thinking we can get in. Nakakahanap din kami. Ayan, umabot na kami sa daan. Johnston Canyon is really a very popular hiking spot. Dami naming kakompetensya. Okay. Not too bad, not too far out. Oh! Sweet!
You never know. You can penetrate the tree.
So close to the ilog. So close to the water. Ang ganda. Ang ganda. Oh my gosh.
Almost to the first stop.
Baka may sa Lower Falls. Sa likod? Oo. Oh, dami. Ayun, our camping weekend is done and we've checked out of Johnston Canyon Campground and then we did a quick hike at Johnston Canyon. Yeah, we really liked the campground. First time namin magstay doon and surprisingly maganda siya, no pa? Maluluwag yung sites, maraming banyo, may kitchen shelters, may plug-in sa kitchen shelter. First time ko nakakita na may plug sa kitchen shelter. But full disclosure, may dumadaang train siguro maraming beses. Pero hindi naman naging malaking bother sa amin. So this was one camping that we really liked. So